Right down this way, you will be separated. Okay.
Yeah, I know that's what I said. But I guess some people like they don't.
Yeah, they're thinking that you can stay together.
People are like surprisingly like.
Reach light speed on my legs.
That's the whole reason you're here, so we can find out, I guess.
Yes. Yes. I'm on my way to find out. Yeah.
I think you missed.
I missed what?
You missed the beginning part.
Separated on the head.
Come on, personnel. This is your final call on board.
Well, here. They're all solos.
Oh, yeah. It smells like chocolate. Keep moving.
Solo spies, stay to the left. You will be separated. You are now all using the up one.
How many guys here? Four this way. It's great chocolate. It's okay.
You're wondering where I've been for the last 2.5 hours?
Sit to the line all the way down.
Where's the buttons?
Last two, you're on that silver line. Now, if you have a bag of any kind on, take it off, hold it in your hands. Items on the top of your head, must come off now. Inside with equipment color, standing on, stay on it. All bags, all hats, off, in your hands.
Alright. All you kids on the color red, who's the youngest?
Red.
And how old are you? You are 6 years old, lovely. Who's the oldest in this group? We'll also remove more secure loose guards.
Where are we supposed to stand? Where? I have no idea.
Leave us. Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
One of these doors.
It's probably busy.
coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recortos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
They got a tab down here. My back will report, yellow tab on the right. Everyone hand up. Make sure your hand down, my foot on the left, while left eye open closing. And this is all 5 reasons how we get out of here today, back to back 2. And hold on to all these right through. It is his very first day on the job, so he might be a little bit nervous. And unfortunately, he do not know his up and down or his left and right. Good luck.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breach and attention lock breach.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these 2 droids anyway?
The escape pods just below us. Take the lift now. Cover you. Hurry!
No! Sit down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. The destroyer's about.
Your efforts are wasted. You cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits.
Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
We're tracking Beck's pod at the wreckage, sir. It's...
Wreckage? I've got a bad feeling about this.
No, sir. He came down to the wreckage site.
That doesn't sound good. He was the backbone of this operation. Anything happened to him?
Scans last showed him at Sector 4.
I should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get those data tapes off the ship.
Never leave anyone behind.
Lieutenant here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Well, they're going back into the bar.
Excellent. We're undercover for the resistance. Well, you can inform your co-conspirators that they need a new plan.
Oh yeah?
And I'd recommend a new lookout. Affirmative. We're on to you, traveler.
Okay, cool.
I mean, red's always been my favorite color, so like...
Stop. I see you know your way around a droid assembly. That's a valuable skill, young one. Good.
That's funny.